it's Jeff from Loba Wakol here to talk about Contact, our Dustless recoating system for factory finished floors. Just kind of a step-by-step guide of how to use it. Of course, it's most important that the floor be as clean as possible. So that's where our Loba Remover comes in. It's a great soap to clean floors. You dilute it. You can use a buffer with a red pad or something like that, or some sort of power scrubber. Get the floor as clean as possible, which is key for any recoats. We suggest that you test an area to make sure that the finish is going to stick, perhaps in a closet or someplace discreet. But after the floor is cleaned and dry, Contact is a 2-coat system. You'll mix your Contact up. The pot life is 2 hours. How I prefer to put it down is after I mix it, I'll put it in a paint tray and work off the floor with a cut-in pad. And your goal is to put it on as pretty thin. This quart does 500 square feet. Don't rework it. Just move in a consistent pace across the floor. Let the Contact dry for 2 hours, or if it needs a little bit more time, that's fine. You've got 24 hours to coat it, but then after that, all you do is coat it with one of our 2-component finishes like Duo or Super AT. Stay away from the gloss finishes with the recoat. Perhaps stick with the satin finishes to give the best results. So again, just some quick reminders about Contact. If there's damage to the floor, of course a recoat won't fix a deep scratch or anything that's real visible, perhaps a dent, things like that. So just be mindful with your homeowners to give them realistic expectations what a recoat will do for them. Of course, you can touch up some scratches and things perhaps with a marker before you coat it, but set expectations also about adhesion. It's really tough to guarantee adhesion because we don't know, and you don't know as a contractor, actually what is on the floor and how long it's been there.